Hi everybody, I'm Alireza and welcome to AT channel. In this video we are going to show you how to use Gaussian blur or blurring the background. Alright, the first we need to select the subject that we want. For example, I'm gonna shall select this person and I'm using this smart object selector that selecting the object smartly, and you need, after selecting this object, you need to recorrect it some few parts, for example here, or we have a little problem here, and after we fix this I am using Ctrl J to make a copy from the base. And I should mention that you need to deselect the floor, because if you didn't do the deselect things, you will lose the focus of the photo and your subject will be floating on the picture. After that you need to go to the filters and selecting blur and use this Gaussian blur actually, and after that you can see it give you some amount of blurring the background, and after you choose the right mount for your photo, you can click OK. But okay guys, this is the final result and I hope you like it.